The Ducati Monster 696 is a standard, naked motorcycle made by Ducati from 2008 through 2014. Predecessor model Monster 695, successor model Monster 797. Class type naked. Engine is a 695.79cc 2-valve per cylinder. 4-stroke air-cooled 90 degrees V-twin with Dismodromic valve actuation. A slipper clutch prevents locking of the rear wheel through clumsy downshift. Power, it generates 80 horsepower, 58.8 kilowatts at 9,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 69 Newton meters, 50 feet at 7,750 revolutions per minute. Mated to a 6-speed transmission nestled inside tubular steel type trellis frame and a lightweight aluminum subframe. The claim drive weight is 161 kg. Suspension: front, short, later muzzle cheek 43 mm upside down fork. Rear, Sachs progressive linkage with preload and rebound Sachs adjustable monoshock. Brakes: front, 2 320 mm discs, Brembo radial 4 piston calipers. Rear, 1 245 mm disc, Brembo 2 piston caliper. Tires: Pirelli Angel ST. Front, 126 XZ17. Rear, 166 XZ17. Fuel capacity: 15 liters.